province of Ilocos Norte, Governor Amy R. Marcos, Mr. Mark Chua, the Honorable Vice Governor in the province of Ilocos Norte, Honorable Angelo Marcos Barba, the distinguished members of our select panel of judges coming from the Ad-adda Incorporated in Metro Manila. Iti nagkadua po nga nakipaset kita na isang sangayan nga aktibidad iti Ad-adda Hong Kong for the information of our Honorable Governor. Parang Ilocos Norte na rin, one Ilocos Norte Governor dinala na ng Ad-adda Hong Kong ang buong Ilocos Norte. Kasi halos lahat ng association ng Ilocos Norte ay well represented. Siguro nasasabik sila na makita at mapakinggan na naman ang kagalang-galang na gobernador ng probinsya ng Ilocos Norte. And I cannot mention you all kasi na-mention na kayo kanina ng mga program hosts natin. Suffice it to say na medyo natalo pa yata yung One Ilocos Norte program ni Governor Amy Marcos kasi ang nangyari dito sa affair na to, One Ilocos region na governor kasi there are associations coming as far as Ilocos Sur, La Union, and last I heard Isabela. So halos andito na lahat ng Ilocano. So that only shows how much they love to see and listen to our governor. So I won't be very long this time. Kasi I still remember when I was here last year together with Vice Governor Angelo Marcos Barba. We delivered lengthy messages because that was the first time that we were invited by the Ad-adda Hong Kong. And what happened? Inabot tayo ng alas 7. So, agkakaribuso kayo di ko na po nga ilimpasan that decoration kabuta agana alas 7 lang ang detay pinayadan nyo nga panagasan dito sa YingPun Community Hall. So nga may tayo ta at atindog to di gobernador at di rabang ng tinggan tayo. Anyway, as far as news about Batac is concerned, I know that a lot of you are Batac Hong Kong and lahat ng Batac, you are all connected to the internet, especially on Facebook. So much so that a lot of you are my friends on Facebook. You get to greet me from time to time. Kaya lang, nagitay dyan, unang masungsung bata na po. If you connect with me via chat at night, jak pa'y nai-plastar na internet dyan balay may ta medyo na kapsut iti signal na because my connection is on the 3rd floor. I stay on the 2nd floor. So nga may pabakto pa lang ako tanong pumimpintas. So nga I got pissed off when I cannot answer you right away. So nga pakibagbagayo isisnabon na kami ni Mayor. Hana po no di kiti talaga ganito na payag iti panaggaraw de internet connection ko Jubal. Siguro in the next few weeks to come, I will be able to fix it. But I know that a lot of you are very much kept abreast of what's happening in our city of Batac. In the same manner that all of you knows what the governor is doing and the vice governor is doing for our province. So this time around, siguro, this is the first time in the whole province of Ilocos Norte that our most influential politicians, most recognized politicians from all of Ilocos Norte are going to be together once again, if only to show to the whole world and to the whole nation that indeed we are working to make Ilocos Norte as great as it should be. So for our city, that I'm doing a very good job siguro man because I always have the support of our constituents in the city of Batac and at the same time, of course, the support of the Honorable Governor. So iso nga mangnamnama kayo apo nga adupay iti mapasamak iti sumarsarno pa nga talo nga tawan. Tamo tayo mat dandani medyo we almost missed this program because in the last couple of weeks we have been very busy in coming up with our teams for the 2013 elections. Last Monday to Friday we had just completed the filing of certificates for candidacy for the 2013 elections, and up until the last few minutes of the filing, kada do pala ako iti nagpila. I believe that this is going to be a very peaceful and orderly election for the province of Ilocos Norte, and for sure, much more will be expected in the entire province of Ilocos Norte. So nga, magnamnama kayo po that we will always do our best to do a lot of improvements that will not only be good for our city, but most especially good for the families living in our cities and in the province of Ilocos Norte. So once again, congratulations. Katigit opisyalas, ityan nagtibatak Hong Kong. Kastamat nga maragsagan kami apo. Dagit isap sa balipay nga asosasyon, kung may magpakipangragransak. Kadagito'y tagaan nagtibatak Hong Kong apo. Tamugbat nga, dente natunos damat nagiti nagtibatak Hong Kong. And sabay kumata, you will keep the unity that you established for the nagtibatak Hong Kong. Takang kanay latakin, agtultuloy kumati expansion. Kasi dati challenge ni Apo Presidente Evangelidad Tatay. Di kita kumapay mati na kang miyembro nga taga-Batac. At miyembro kayo na po Tapno lalo pa nga natipkan kinapintas dati nga asosasyon. Thank you very much and good afternoon to all of you.